How to add or remove bookmarks on Safari on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Safari and after that open up your favorite website like Netflix and simply press Command and D. Make sure that you are tapping them together in order to make this window appear. And over here you can simply name your bookmark and also add it to your favorites, and after that click on add, and this way it will be added. The other way could be you can just simply click on this option of share at the top, and here you get this option of add bookmark to, and here you get this option favorites and simply add it quite easily. And let me just add it so you can see it. So it is added to my favorites, and in order to see it I would just simply click over here on the top sidebar, and here you get this option of favorites. Simply select it and here you would get all your favorite sections. If you want to remove Netflix from here, simply right click on it and you get this option of delete. Simply click over here and it will be deleted. And this is how easy it is to add or remove the bookmarks on Safari on Mac. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.